Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, guys. So, yeah. Yeah, I should. I should do that. All right, first pack's usually an auto, but that's going to be paper. J.J. Bleday refractor. Timmy Tebow. Oh, there is a blue behind him. And it's a blue Cub. Looks good in blue. Chase Strump. Chase Strump for the Cubs. We don't, well, normally, I haven't been in a while, but normally, like, our stores don't have any basketball. It's usually always gone. But, you know, they've had some football and some baseball. Joey Bart refractor. Tyler Baum. Blue Jose Devers. Leonardo Jimenez. Tyler Fitzgerald. No pack searcher stories. Kendall Williams, purple refractor auto. We're hitting the color, we're just not hitting the names. Lodolo. Callahan. Valdez. Malone. C.J. Abrams. Stinson. Wander Franco. Jahmai Jones. And third auto. Probably not color, but could be an insert. Or it could be a base. Ryan Jensen. So 2 Cubs autos in that box. Jimmy Lewis for the Dodgers. Zach Thompson refractor. Wesneski. And we got a blue, looks like a blue auto. JJ Bleday. And it's not. It's actually the worst player in the set. Darian Cruz, who retired long ago. But they keep putting him in. I don't know why, but they do. And another Kendall Williams. This is not my favorite break ever. I don't know. It depends on the size of the... Brandon Lewis. I mean, you're going to want a double box. But if it's light enough, you could still double box and ship it first class package. You know, as long as it's under 16 ounces. Wow, that's a 1 of 1. Just kind of snuck up on me. Dre Jameson, 1 of 1. It's a 1 of 1 paper. For the D-backs. That's nuts. Yeah, if you're getting priority boxes, you can get them for free. You can get them at the post office for free, or you can order them online. That's what I do. That's how I get my bubble mailers. The priority bubble mailers. I get them from the post office for free. Timmy Tebow, Sky Blue. Yeah. Hey, I'll take it. Matthew Allen, Sky Blue paper. And last auto of the break. Let's hit a big name. I don't even care if it's a color. And it is a color. All right, let's hit a big name in our color. You ready? Here we go. Big name. I'll take it. Whatever. Logan Wyatt. I'll take a Logan Wyatt, sure. So we hit Fart. Timmy Tebow, Brandon Lewis, Darian Cruz, Jones, Stinson, Valdez, Devers, and Bleday. Autos weren't really that good, except for the last one. Kendall Williams, Jimmy Lewis, Ryan Jensen, Kendall Williams again, and Chase Strump. You know, other than Strump, those were pretty bad. Dre Jameson, 1 of 1, and a Fart. Right. So this is a 1 of 1 black paper. It's actually rarer than a superfractor because only the paper base have black paper. So, you know, that's it. Nothing else does. None of the inserts, you know. The chrome obviously has superfractors. There are no paper autos. So, yeah, it's one of the rarest 1 of 1s you can get in here. And Dre Jameson was a first rounder. So, I mean, you're looking at a first round black paper 1 of 1. That's pretty tough. That's pretty hard to complain about, you know. Nice hit. All right. Well, kind of helped save that one anyway.